Hi, hello friends. Hope everybody is doing good. Welcome back to a new episode. Today, let's see how to make homemade pasta in white sauce. This is a very simple and easy recipe that requires only a few ingredients. Without wasting much time, let's get started. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications of videos once it's uploaded. So first let's cook the pasta. Here I am taking macaroni pasta. Boil 4 cups of water in a medium sized pan. The amount of water depends upon the amount of pasta you are taking. Here I am taking 2 cups of pasta. For that we require 4 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil. Now give everything a nice mix. Add salt as required. Add half a teaspoon of olive oil and give it a nice mix. Now I am going to add the pasta, 2 cups. Cook the pasta for 10 to 12 minutes until it's nice and soft. The pasta is cooked well. Move this to a strainer. Now let's start making the sauce. Take a medium sized pan. To this add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Put the heat to medium. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir it well with oil and butter. Now I am going to add vegetables to this. Here I have taken carrots and beans. You can take any vegetables of your choice or what is available at home. Add a little bit of salt as required and give it a nice mix. Let it cook for a few minutes. Make sure that it's not overcooked. It should have that nice crunch. Once the vegetables are sufficiently cooked, I am going to move this to a plate. We have enough butter and oil left over in the pan for making the sauce. To this I am going to add half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Give this a nice mix. Make sure that the flame is low to medium. Now I am going to add 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give everything a nice mix until the raw smell goes off completely. To this, I am going to add 2 cups of milk. Add half cup of water. Stir it continuously. Once the sauce is nice and thick, add the cooked vegetables to this. Give this a nice mix. Stir it continuously until the sauce thickens. Add the cooked pasta to the sauce and give it a nice mix. Stir it until the pasta and the vegetables get nicely mixed with the sauce. Now I am going to add half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of oregano, and give it a nice mix. Let me check the taste. It's yummy. Pasta in white sauce is ready. Serve it hot. This is a very healthy and tasty recipe for kids. So friends, give it a try. So friends, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon for latest notifications. If you like the video, don't forget to share it to your friends. Friends, I'll be back soon with healthy and interesting videos. So friends, it's me signing off for now. Take care, stay tuned, and stay blessed.